Hey everybody, what's up? I'm back again. You already know who this be. Your girl Lil Miss, recording a video. I haven't recorded a video in a really long time. And hold on guys, let me turn my music down. I always be having my shit just on blast. But yeah, I'm back again. Back to what I was saying, you feel me? I'm back again. I haven't, you feel me, recorded in a minute. It's been like a couple of weeks, maybe. Matter of fact, last time I did a video, I think it was October. So I think it's been a minute, y'all. My bad, you feel me? I've been going through like hella shit in my life, and things happen, life. Man, it's some twists, some turns, some downs, some ups, some falls, some man, you already know that's how it be. But I just wanted to make a video, tell y'all that I'm gonna catch back up with y'all, be back on my video game, and I apologize to all my fans that do watch me. I don't know who those people are, but whoever you are, you feel me? Keep watching me, and I'll keep continuing to watch you. You feel me? We can both go to the top. You feel me? It's not really that hard. I mean, if people could do it, you could do it. That's how you gotta look at it. So I'm really motivated. My mind mentality. If you think big, you're gonna live big. That's pretty much how it goes. If you want to be a shooting star, you gotta shoot for the star. So yeah, I'm pretty much my night is about to get wrapped up pretty much. It's Sunday, so I ain't really been doing that, and I didn't even watch the Niners game today. I missed the game, but it's good though. Just listening to music. Gotta go to work in the morning. Back to my cheddar, my bread. Gotta make that money, that fetty.
Afghan special
But
forces to rescue this man.
shit, I don't even know. I'm just chilling. Watching my TV. I show y'all my little TV I got from Black Friday. I got deals and I'm so excited. I'm so happy I came up like, hey, from rags to riches. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's pretty cool.
When they were kidnapped at a
Cool
checkpoint along
TV.
the highway by armed militants.
Back to me.
They were then taken to a mountainous region close to the Pakistan
Yeah, but
border.
anyway,
The
y'all ain't
Afghan
even doing
captives
nothing,
were
just
eventually released, but Joseph wasn't.
slapping music, just being me,
He's in
doing me. I'm
captivity.
actually in the
US intelligence showed Joseph's life was in
at the moment washing my clothes. Yeah,
its movement.
recording a video. Yeah, so I'll talk to y'all later because I gotta go. My clothes is probably done. All right, bye.